Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, fire escape engineers. We're on the stoop at 441 49th Avenue, and that's in Brooklyn, New York. You have 3 steps, and you have this configuration for the railing. Normally you would have the rail not to the side, but straight up. This is a little bit on the I guess artsy side. So anyhow, it's hollow tube 2-inch, the railing. You need an EPA renovator's license if this is pre-1978. This is pre-existing non-conforming. This is the inspector's summary video, and this must be structurally sound and painted. Okay, this concludes this part of the video for the stoop.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.